To be a digital marketing analyst at InTouch, you gotta be a couple things. You gotta be a team player, you gotta be willing to communicate and work well with your coworkers and your colleagues, and you gotta be willing to constantly learn. The digital marketing world is ever changing, and if you're not coming to work every day, willing to learn and to adapt, it's gonna be hard to be successful in this environment. My name is Jake. I'm a digital marketing analyst at InTouch Practice Communications. I've been working at InTouch since March of 2022. When I saw the position online, I immediately checked out the website. And what I saw was a website that looked very nice, very clean, very professional, and very efficient. And I knew immediately that that is an environment I really want to work in. My role as a digital marketing analyst at InTouch is to make sure that our clients' websites, Google Ads, and social medias are visible and #1 all across the web. In the role of digital marketing analyst at InTouch, communication is key. Whether it's collaborating with your team or communicating with a client with their needs, communication is the reason why we're so successful. At InTouch, we use a couple different tools to help us gather and analyze data. One of them mainly being Google Analytics. This tool tells us exactly what's going on the website. And from there, we're able to create a specialized report for each practice that can tell us exactly what's going on the website in terms of how many people are on the site, people calling, people clicking to make an appointment request, and how long those people are staying on the site and engaging with the site. And once we have that data, we're able to make some really good, insightful decisions on what we need to do as analysts to help improve the site and help drive people to the client. It's truly rewarding to look back at my growth here. When I first started, I only had a minimal background knowledge in digital marketing. Because I came in and worked hard every day, collaborated with my team, and was willing to learn and adapt to what was going on in the industry, I've been able to learn a lot in a short amount of time. As a result of that, I'm able to be trusted with accounts that are high visibility and have a lot of responsibility to them. So looking back at my journey here, it really is extremely rewarding to see where I started at and where I'm at now. My favorite thing about being a digital marketing analyst at InTouch is being able to see an issue that the client has, whether they need appointments filled or they need more people in the door, being able to apply the strategies and the insights that I've learned as a marketing analyst and watching the results actually come to life and come to fruition for the client. If you're considering a position at InTouch, I would say just go for it. Never have I worked somewhere where management truly cares about me, my work-life balance is taken seriously, and I get to work with a team that's extremely collaborative and that pushes me to work hard every day.